Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I'll teach you quadratic curve canvas with HTML5. First, let's go here and then type C text dot begin path. Then C text dot move to 188 150. Then C text dot quadratic curve to 288.0.388.150. Then C text line width equals 10. Then C text dot stroke style equals to black. Then C text dot stroke. Then let's save it on the pressure browser. And it's working. This is the quadratic curve canvas. And that's it, guys. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.